Welcome to another trading tutorial. This is the second segment of my volume profile series. In this segment, I will show you some basic volume profile trading strategy, and I will also show you how to use the characteristic of the volume profile for possible entry and exit. If you are new to volume profile and have not watched my first segment of this series, I would suggest you go watch that segment first before you watch this segment. I have placed a link for the first segment in the description below. The first strategy is the outside in. It has a long and short trade setup. The short setup is called look above and fail, and the long setup is look below and fail. The second trading strategy is the inside out. It also has a long and a short trade setup. The long setup is called look above and go, and the short setup is look below and go. Now, before we look at these volume profile trade setup, we need to get familiarized with some key level within the volume profile. One of them is VPOC, or the Virgin Point of Control. This is a prior session point of control that has not been tested or touched by any price action. Then the HVN, the high volume node, the price level with a high amount of trading volume. And the LVN, the low volume node, the price level with a low amount of trading volume. Then the composite volume point of control. That's the price level with the highest amount of trading volume within a composite profile. Now let's take a look at the VPOC on this chart. Here is a VPOC, the POC that has not been tagged and has been established many trading sessions ago. And here's the POC from the most recent session. Here are some of the HVN on this chart, the high volume nodes. And here are some the LVN on this chart. Now let's take a look at how price react at the HVN and the LVN. Here's a HVN. Notice there are a lot of candles moving back and forth around this level. Here's another HVN. Again, notice the amount of candles that move around this HVN level. And here are a few more of the price action around the HVN. More candle moving to a price level indicate there are a lot of trading took place at that price level. Now let's take a look at the price action around LVN. Here's a LVN. Notice how few of the candles moving to this level. Same on this LVN. Not too many candles moving to this level. Likewise on this LVN. The fewer candles moving to a price level mean less trading took place at that price level. Here's a chart of a composite profile around these prices. And here is the composite point of control, the price level with the most traded volume in this profile. Now let's take a look at the setup. Starting with the outside in, short setup, the look above and fail. Here is the prior session value area. And here we see the current session price move above the previous value area high. Then the price dipped back inside the previous value area, and that's set up for a possible short. The initial target for this short is the VPOC. And the previous session value area low could be the secondary target or the target for the runner. And the long setup for the outside in trading strategy is the look below and fail. And here is the value area of the previous session. The current session price moved below the previous session value area low. Then the price moved back inside the value area, and that triggered a possible long. The initial target is the VPOC. And the previous session value area high is a secondary target or the target for the runners. Now let's take a look at the setup for the inside out strategy. First is the long setup called look above and go. Here is the value area from the previous session. Here, the current session price went above the previous session value area high, and that triggered a long. And the target for this is 1 time the range of the value area. Here we will look at the short setup for the inside out strategy, the look below and go. This is the value area from the previous session. And here, the current price broke below the previous value area low, and that triggered a short. And the target is 1 time the range of the previous session value area. Now, let's take a look how we could trade using the composite volume profile. I have selected this price range to generate a composite profile. Here is the look above and fail setup. And the composite value area low will be our target for this short setup. Now let's see how we could use the volume profile to monitor for potential trade. Here I have generated a composite profile for this range of prices. In addition, I have also identified one of the HVN or the high volume node and the LVN, a low volume node. And here we will monitor for a look below and go for a possible short. And if a short is triggered, the initial target for this short trade is the HVN, and the LVN will be the target for the runner. If a look below and fail setup appear, then that will trigger a long, with the composite point of control as the initial target for this long trade, and the composite value area high as a target for the runner. To recap, the 2 basic volume profile trading strategy, the outside in and the inside out, give us 2 long setup and 2 short setup. 2 for the long trade or look above and go, and look below and fail. And 2 short trades are look above and fail, and look below and go. In this segment, I have shown you how to use the setup from 2 basic volume profile strategy and how to use the volume profile characteristic for possible entry and exit. In the next segment, I will show you some advanced trading strategy using the volume profile. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as I can. If you find this tutorial to be informative and educational, smash that thumbs up to let me know. And if you'd like to see more of these trading strategy tutorials, let me know in the comment section. And be sure to click the subscribe and turn on the notification icon if you haven't subscribed to this channel, so you will be notified when there is a new video from me. Good luck with your trading, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.